1. Keep items at eye level. One of the main ways that you can develop a hunchback is by constantly looking down at objects instead of keeping your head straight or even glancing upwards. Make a change by positioning your cell phone at eye level when texting or browsing. Do the same thing with your e-reader or book. You can also purchase a rack or stand for your laptop to elevate it to eye level. 2. Set an alarm to check your posture. It's really easy to forget to hold yourself perfectly upright throughout the day, especially at work. To keep yourself from slouching over the keyboard, put an alarm on your phone to go off every 30 minutes. When the alarm sounds, check your posture by straightening your spine and pulling your shoulders back. Some people find it helpful to write reminder notes around their desk, such as, "Straighten up." 3. Sleep with a contoured pillow. Go to your local sleep store and browse through their pillow offerings. Look for a pillow that is designed to hold your head and neck in proper alignment overnight. These pillows are often made of foam and have two outer ridges with a dip in the middle for your head. Be prepared for a bit of an adjustment period when transitioning from a traditional pillow to a contoured one. You may find it tough to sleep in any other position aside from on your back, at least at first. Sleeping on a firm bed can sometimes help your hunchback improve as well. 4. Eat lots of foods with calcium and vitamin D. These two nutrients are directly responsible for the growth and maintenance of healthy bones in your body. Make a point of adding more cheese, fortified juice or cereal products, leafy greens, and citrus fruits to your diet. Take an orange to work as a midday snack or make a kale salad for lunch. You can also take a multivitamin to ensure that you are receiving enough calcium and vitamin D. However, getting nutrients from foods and vitamin D from the sun is always the better option.